Let's take a closer look at the AWS performance-optimized instances and how they're used in workloads in the real world. When you need increased performance from your EC2 compute, it's imperative you understand how AWS optimized instances can provide you with higher throughput on your specialized, intensive workloads. F1, P2, P3, G3, and G4 instances provide extremely accelerated computing resources, including instance, network, and GPU, for supercomputing and applications like scientific image modeling. C4 and C5 instances are compute-optimized instances, best used for compute-bound applications that benefit from high-performance processors like high-performance computing and scientific modeling. T2 and T3 are burstable instances that are unique in their ability to perform beyond their baseline CPU resources. This flexibility in performance is achieved through tracking CPU credits that accumulate over time when the instance is running below capacity. And when credits run out, the instance's performance returns to its baseline and the accumulation cycle continues. R4 and R5 are memory-optimized instances, best for applications that process a lot of data in memory, like high-performance databases. D2 instances are storage-optimized instances. This new generation comes with massive-scale ephemeral storage. It terminates when the instance terminates, but it should still be a part of the cost conversation. Once your machine learning model is trained to meet your requirements, you can deploy your model on an Inf1 instance by using AWS Neuron. Inf1 instances are optimized for machine learning inference applications with AWS customized chips, scalable processors, and fast networking. And AWS Neuron is a software developer kit for machine learning using the AWS custom Inferentia chips. That's a bit out of scope for this lesson, but it's good information to know about optimized EC2 instances. While instance types or families don't change much, their sizes and generations are updated quite frequently. So someone on the cloud team needs to stay on top of EC2 instance announcements on the AWS blog. These updates usually result in improved performance at a lower cost, so it's also a factor in how you decide on your reserved instance mix. You might not want to make a 3-year reserved commitment to an instance type and reserve for 1 year instead if you work at the type of company that wouldn't hesitate to move to a new generation to save money or improve performance.